Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to access PS5 web browser. Firstly, from your PS5 home screen, go to the top right corner and select the gear settings icon. In there, scroll down and choose user and accounts. You'll recognize it by your PSN profile picture icon. Now from the left hand panel, select linked services, then click YouTube. On the YouTube linking page, select link to proceed. And when the QR code page appears, ignore the code and click on user browser instead. This will open the hidden PS5 browser window. On the Google sign-in screen, use the on-screen cursor to click Terms at the bottom of the page. And once you're in the Terms of Service page, scroll all the way down and click Google in the Further section. You now have full access to Google search. You can type and search for any site just like a normal web browser. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.